The Nature of Personal Reality, a Seth book by Jane Roberts, read by Martin John, Part 2, Chapter 17.
Session 662, May 9, 1973, 9:40 p.m., Wednesday. Good evening. Dictation.
Most criminals, in or out of prison, share a sense of powerlessness and a feeling of resentment because of it. Therefore, they seek to assure themselves that they are indeed powerful through antisocial acts, often of violence. They desire to be strong, then, while behaving in a lack of personal strength. They have been conditioned, and furthermore have conditioned themselves, to believe that they must fight for any benefits. Aggression becomes a method of survival. Since they believe so strongly in the power of others, and in their own relative powerlessness, they feel forced into aggressive actions almost as preventative measures against greater violence that will be done against them. They feel isolated and alone, unappreciated, filled with rage, which is being constantly expressed, in many cases, though not all, through a steady series of minor social crimes. This applies whether or not major crimes are committed. So the simple expression of aggression without understanding does not help. In the case of criminals and their belief systems, aggression has a positive value. It becomes a condition for survival. Many other characteristics that might mitigate such behavior are minimized and can be seen as dangerous by them, they believe.
The telephone rang. In session. Maybe one of the shortest. Peace, light, and love. Aloha.